Radhe Krishna to everyone from Ashtasakhi Vrindavan. The divine justice of Sri Banke Bihari Ji, a very true story of Sri Banke Bihari Ji. However, the miracle we are about to share with you is a remarkable one performed by Sri Banke Bihari Ji nearly 9 years ago. This miracle has become an unforgettable example. Many of you might have heard about this event, albeit partially, but this miracle created a sensation worldwide. We are revisiting this true story because hearing about it fills one with the hope that Banke Bihari Ji will also come to our rescue in times of trouble and save us from very hardship. Dear devotees, this is a true story from a town called Aligarh, located a short distance from Vrindavan. A devotee named Govardhan Das lived there. Govardhan Das was a teacher, one who never charged fees for his teaching. He treated all the children he taught as his own. Over time, his own children grew up. He also had a daughter who reached marriageable age. He decided to get his daughter married grandly and found a suitable family for her. When it was time for the wedding, Govardhan Das faced a financial shortfall. He approached his sons, whom he had educated well. One became a doctor and another one is an engineer. He requested them to contribute money for their sister's wedding. However, the sons, now earning well, refused to help. Their wives too mocked Govardhan Das as he used to provide free education and could not accumulate wealth. Left with no choice, he sought help from relatives and villagers but did not receive any financial support in time. Being an honorable man, Govardhan Das feared ridicule at his daughter's wedding if funds were not arranged. He approached a moneylender named Lakshmi Chand and asked for a loan, promising to repay it after the wedding. Knowing Govardhan Das' honest nature, the moneylender lent him the money. The wedding was celebrated lavishly, and the daughter was happily sent off to her new home. After the wedding, Govardhan Das and his wife decided to go for a Ganga bath, a tradition observed after daughter's wedding in Hindu customs. However, Govardhan Das knew he had a debt to repay, so he postponed their Ganga bath for now and he resumed teaching. This time, he charged fees for his services. Over the next 3 years, through very hard work, he repaid the moneylender every penny he owed. The moneylender had recorded all repayments in his ledger, and once the debt was cleared, he showed the record to Govardhan Das, who confirmed the repayments. But after a few days later, after returning from their Ganga bath, Govardhan Das was shocked to see Lakshmi Chand's men at his house demanding repayment. Despite his explanations, the moneylender falsely claimed that some amount was still pending. Frustrated, Govardhan Das approached Lakshmi Chand, who now presented a duplicate ledger showing the debt as unpaid. Realizing he was being deceived, Govardhan Das refused to pay again. The moneylender then filed a case against him in court. During the hearing, the judge asked to Govardhan Das if he had any proof or witnesses to support his claim. Unfortunately, none of the villagers and relatives dared to testify against the influential moneylender. Feeling helpless, Govardhan Das placed his faith in Sri Banke Bihari Ji and saying, Bihari Lal, he is my only witness. The judge issued a summons for Bihari Lal to appear in court. A court official traveled to Vrindavan to deliver the summons but could not find anyone named Bihari Lal. Eventually, he reached the Banke Bihari temple, where he encountered an old man with a radiant face. The old man identified himself as Bihari Lal and accepted the court summons. On the day of the hearing, everyone was curious to see who is the Bihari Lal. To everyone's astonishment, the old man appeared in court and testified that Govardhan Das had repaid each and every penny to Lakshmi Chand. He even revealed the exact location of the original ledger in Lakshmi Chand's house. A court officer retrieved the ledger from the specified location, proving the old man's statement true. The judge declared Govardhan Das innocent and dismissed the case. The old man left the court and disappeared unexpectedly. When the judge inquired about his identity, Govardhan Das explained that he had no human witness and had placed his faith in Lord Sri Bake Bihari Ji. Hearing this, the judge was deeply moved and decided to re-announce his position. He went to Vrindavan forever, where he became known as very famous as the Judge Baba and dedicated his whole life to serving Sri Bake Bihari Ji. Dear devotees, this story reminds us of the boundless grace of Sri Bake Bihari Ji, who always protects his devotees in times of need. Just we have to trust on him in our hard time. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such spiritual videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Radhe Krishna.